Hello students, today we will discuss how to move around the worksheet. Excel offers many methods for moving the cell cursor around the worksheet to the cell where you want to enter new data or edit existing data. Firstly, you have a choice that you click on the desired cell like this. If you want to work here, you can select it by clicking it. This one is this. Okay. Assuming that the cell is displayed within the section of the sheet visible in the worksheet area, either by clicking it with your mouse or tapping it on your touch screen. Click the name box, then type the address of the desired cell and press the enter key. Like if you want to work on the cell A5, you just press enter. It will automatically move to the cell A5. If you want to work on J1, just press J1 here and click enter. So it will move automatically to your desired cell. You can also have an option to press F5 and go to the dialog box and type the address of the desired cell into its reference text box and then click OK. Let us press F5. Let's type here B8. Now you click on OK. Okay, then it will automatically move to your desired cell. You are also having some of the cursor keys that move your cell cursor to the desired cell by using tab, cell up arrow, cell down arrow, shift plus tab. They all are the keys to move your cursor. You can also use the horizontal and vertical buttons located at the end of the scroll bars, like these buttons, to move your worksheet area down and up and horizontally and vertically. So it was all about how to move around your worksheet area. Some of the special keys are available on your keyboard, like backspace key. It is to delete the characters to the immediate left when entering or editing cell entry. Like when you're typing anything here, and when you press the backspace, it will delete here recently entered the left side entry. Now there is another key on your keyboard, that is enter key. It is to complete your entry on a desired cell. That is, if you are writing here something, okay, you will let it continue. And if you want to complete your text box, then just press enter. Then it will go to the another cell. The other key is the shift key. It is to enter the capital letters in a cell entry. Suppose you are having the lower letter case, and now if you want to enter the capital letter, you just press shift and the alphabet you just want to type. It will give you the upper letter. The other key is the left arrow key. It is to move the cell cursor one cell to the immediate right and complete any cell entry in the progress. If you're writing anything here and you just press the left arrow, then it will go to the left side of your desired entry and complete your previous entry. Same, the right arrow works. It is to move the cell cursor one cell to the immediate left and complete any cell entry in the progress. So it was all about how to work with some special keys present on the keyboard in your Excel 2016. Now let us see how to surf the sheets in a workbook. It is the sheet 1 that you are working. You can include so many new sheets like this one. It is sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. Now how to work with these sheets, how to move around. It is the bar that present all the sheets. Sheet 1, 2 and 3, 4. Each new worksheet you open in the Excel 2016, it contains a single blank worksheet. If ever you need more worksheets in your workbook, you can add them simply by clicking the new sheet button, that is the plus sign button, this one. There are the tabs left, right, by which you can move to your sheets. If you're having at sheet 1, just wait, yes. There are the options to scroll to the first sheet and see all the sheets. By clicking them, you can choose whatever sheet you want to view. So it was all about how to surf the different sheets in your workbook. Now we are having the status bar. It is the last component in your worksheet. Firstly, we are having a mode indicator here. This, the last, the bottom one. It is known as the status bar. How to surf on it? There is a mode indicator. Currently it is showing ready. Like if you write something here, then you have the mode enter here. Look, it is changing its mode. Okay, so this is how it changes its mode. The other options you can see here, they are called the layout selector. It selects your page layout, page break view, and this one is the normal sheet that you can view. Let's click on page layout. Then you see your sheet like this. Let's click on the page breakout view. So you can see your text mod here. You will see the entries only in this view. The other sheet is blank. So let's have the normal view. Now there is a zoom slider by which you can zoom in and out to your worksheet. This was all about the status bar. Let's have it to normal. Yes. So it was all about surfing sheets, surfing your status bar. Thank you.